We're finishing up our pesto veggie pasta.
Yes.
You know, Asha's been giving me a hard time all show talking about I don't know how to cook, but my husband is in the studio and he will tell you guys that the Instant Pot has made me a chef.
I was just talking about the Instant Pot with Asha. We haven't tried it out, but maybe we should.
You should. It'll change your life, I'm telling you. Well, you never mind. You're already a chef, Lucy.
No.
You don't need any life-changing events.
Anything to make life easier, I need.
Well, this is pretty easy. Speaking of a good recipe.
Yeah, so we're working on our pesto veggie pasta. So in this pot, we had red onion, we have mushrooms, and orange bell pepper. And now I have the heat turned down a little bit. So we're going to add our pint of grape tomatoes that I just sliced in half. So we don't want too much heat on those because we don't want them to, you know,
you better keep those
disintegrate.
tomatoes away from me. I've already told you my story about these little tomatoes.
Oh, yeah.
About me eating them when I was younger.
Yeah.
My grandparents had
Like
them in
candy.
Yes, my grandparents had them in their garden, and I would just eat a whole basket of them by myself.
I know, they are so good. They really are. And I'm going to use a little jar of pesto, and I mentioned that you just buy this right with the, it's on the top shelf, buy the spaghetti sauce and pasta, or, you know, sometimes, so you can get one in the refrigerated section also, but this is the one I use, or you can make your own. And now, I know, we're going to do your favorite. Have you gotten a microplane yet?
No.
I'm going to get you one.
You know what's funny? Robbie and I were talking about that we needed to buy one. We did a couple recipes over the last couple of weeks that called for zesting a lime and zesting a lemon, and we didn't have one of these, so we've got to get one.
Yes, you have got to get one. So we're just going to do the zest of the lemon, and then I'm going to do the juice.
Mainly just because I want to zest lemons all day long.
Yeah, well, it just adds such great flavor. I just love it, and I love doing all citrus. I mean, limes and oranges. So, and I just use the thing to catch the seeds.
Yeah.
And we're also going to add some of the starchy cooking liquid when we're cooking our pasta. So when we're cooking our pasta, I'm using bow tie today. I told everybody that at the end, I took some of the liquid.
Yeah.
And we're just going to use half a cup. I pulled a cup just in case, but I'm just going to use about half a cup, and that's going to help us make our sauce. Okay. And then we'll go ahead and season it up. Half a teaspoon of salt and a half a teaspoon of pepper. And then our pasta's already cooked. So I brought salted water to a boil, and I just did 12 ounces of pasta, cooked it for 7 minutes, and then the last minute we added in one bunch of asparagus just to, you know, let that cook a little bit. And then,
yeah, and they can check this recipe out on Greers.com, also Fox10TV.com. It is a great, easy recipe for you to make with the family for tonight. Check that out. We'll be right back.